Politricks, watch. This is therapy. Now, today I'm going to show you a video of a well-known young member, right? Somebody who's deep in the acidity, right? Their uncle someplace send back how much gun Iron Man. They can show now how you get to a stage where they know so barefaced. That's them all record it. Because they're confident, say, Iron Man and authorities, now they're not everybody see what happened with City Books. If I was a 87 right now, this would be the most confident I'd ever be. Because I be thinking to myself, if them can't sink them Monday, they can't catch them Monday, them can't disrupt and dismantle them Monday thing. Right? What am I gonna stop me? 87s are record their own evidence. Right? Them even record the transaction. Them record buying the gun them and I get them ready to send the Iron Man. You can't make this up. Before I'm going to that, for Patreon birthday shout out, this one is going to the daughter of Mom Chanel, right? A mayor, right? Now, Chanel, if I say pronounce, correct me on Patreon, right? But see what they now send me them fancy name here, right? Them millionaire name here, you have to give me the pronunciation too, yeah? So Chanel, if I say pronounce, link up, but happy birthday, a mayor. Yesterday was her 15th birthday, right? So, I'm here, mommy love you, whole family love you, hope you had a great day, right? Getting older now, right? But remember, right? Listen to wise advice. Everything, right, we are going to see, people before you see and do already. And at that age, it's easy to think to yourself, you know, people that try to stop you from having fun and stop you from do this and stop you from do that. Sometimes, your family try to stop you from self-destruct. Right? This is something that young people don't understand. So I'm here, pick up yourself, more life, see? Make a move back into the video. Now, if ever you wanted to prove that gangs don't take Iron Man authority seriously, here is the latest one for the collection. I'm going to show in that video. You see, it just can't get any easier. 87s collect their own evidence and build their own case against themselves and still get away. Remember the movies I used to hear Uncle Sam tell man say, if we wear a wire to try, get us some evidence and try get us something, anything at all. Because them can't get nothing from the man them might try lock up. Iron Man 87 is not wearing a wire. The man they tell you. The man they believe me, record it. It's like you dip on a plate and the authorities them still refuse to take out the knife and fork and consume it. You dip on the plate, see there. Remember when I did the video on duty then called Chin, aka Kenardo Kelly. Right. Even telling us at one point him get shot in the face apparently. Narrowly escape with his life. Even at the video. Think he would learn from that? The whole shot in the face thing. No. Barely surviving. No, back to old ways. Some of these LIQs can't be reformed. If a shot to your face don't wake you up, about 3 years of jail I go do it. Cause 3 years max. Better about Iron Man now. If in Japan, Iron Man jail. So Chin involved in the August Town badness. You don't know. One time you see them things are being updated on the page, August Town 876. Nigel rest in peace. Right, you notice from Nigel gone, the whole August Town, right, people have just scratched their head. And things are going on, but the people outside of the community now hear. That was the beauty of having a page like that. And then like a community page there. That was the real beauty. Anyway, the work continues. So Chin's side name, Color Red, Gaza. But this side don't play football. It play death and destruction. See, at one point, Chin was even listed as wanted. Which me telling you from them time they say it was kind of farcical because either them don't know that Chin didn't fire no long. Right? But Chin did fire a long time before the team come out. Which shows that the intel, right, is extremely weak. Or them know say, right, him that firing, right, and I just try make it look like them a try. Or who knows? Maybe they gave him an excuse not to return. You can never tell because I might say the man have links in the system and I'm don't telling about Clarky and the man them link there. The same month where them put out same wanted. Right. The same chin where people that wonder if I'm gonna ever get put on a wanted. It's the same month they put him on him. Right. At the same month where his father was supposed to bury. Matter of fact, the funeral was scheduled for the 26th and then put it out the 9th. Now, guess what happened when a man who planned to fly down for a funeral? Yes, I'm wanted, man. Guess what I'm gonna do? Now, after that, man, nothing about him. Who knows? He probably fly down, got the funeral and left. You never know the Harry, man. You see, the things that when you think straightforward, things that when you think, well, this is happen, this happen, and that's how it work. Right. So, who knows? He probably still fly down and go about him business. But when I read it enough time when you say, man wanted. Right. And the man then goes, walk out at the airport, right, buy a ticket, left the island, go on the country and then move to the next one, and they want it. The straightforward answer is they can't left because they'd be on some kind of, they'd have some kind of stop order. But big wanted man just walk through the airport and gone. Irie. Matter of fact, see the same wanted list here. Now you know August thing, or August something already. You never heard about the ninja and the day of them. Chin them, they're fine. Send back the gun them easy. Easy. Be a rifle and all kind of expensive weapons. Chin one of them you there. But me said the man didn't even start recording. So I go play the video. Check this out.
A criminal just like your mother, though. Every one of them.
Yeah, get some of them shots.
Now, I have one of them there, you know.
Have them?
No, one. They have so much done, but I have one right now, and I'll show you.
I make you get the whole of them cheap. Charge you.
Oh, general,
Black.
See it, I want to alone now.
So I chin that the white shirt with the handgun, you see like him face look like it kind of disfigured. Yeah, and they get shot in the face. Man. All them weapons they probably reach Harriman already. Right. And that's on top of the whole heap of them sent before. Man, they start recording gun transactions. So this is why just finding guns is enough, because you find one and find two where the man them shipping in 50. You have to disrupt and dismantle the networks, right, and allow them to get them into the island so easy. You have to attack the problem on both sides, the sender and the receiver. Now this video, right, youth where, right, I record it, chain. You might want to chain right hand him. Right. Cameraman. Matter of fact, this is him. Right, so I'm not going to show a little video of him. Now disclaimer, right, as usual, right, when you see the eye roll of them, the chopper them, the pusher them, the Diet Coke smoke of them, you don't know my Batman chip is activated immediately. So try not to activate yours because the world isn't big enough for two Batman specialists. So check out this video. So that's Shane, right, let me say, right, them no business, them do them recordings, right, the record gun transaction, they hear the man him say, I just started the video. Talking about video, you see him Shane. Here he is in another video, this time a music video with one of your favorite artists them. When you realize that the same story, different names. Almost every time I show a gang at 87 or down, we can tie it back to the same thing. Foreign, guns I get sent in, artists with them link with and roll with, right, and artists else want to them. It's the same story over and over. Just different names, different artists, different parts of foreign. It's like Groundhog Day. So them have shame upon person of injustice to them. And the way the man take Iron Man for a joke. Them even video themselves for buy more guns we send to Iron Man. Mama document like, them activities. That right there so is the ultimate science man take of a puppy show. And document it. Come like you send a picnic to school and then go live. You school and then go live. Right. Round on one part. Right, that blaze up on chalice. Right. 9 o'clock in the morning and if they school. Then they live. Them all add you to the live. That's when you know say them take up a puppy show. Yeah. So this thing will work. The man take Iron Man authority seriously. Right. Because them judge the outcomes, them judge the results, and they have no result to show them say take them people are serious. The outcomes say just be a chatting. The outcomes say your favorite leaders them are YouTubers. And let's talk about issues. Talk about what them they want to do. Well, you say them can't do it or them don't want to do it. And I still want to know right, the answer to that puzzle to this day. Is it that them can't do it or is it that them can't do it? Alright, see all me I get confused now. All me I get confused. Yeah, help me out now. Is it that them can't do it or them don't want to do it? That's how you go. What next? Well, at least I'm documented and the people them can see it for themselves. Because some people to try to tell somebody this, right, them good I say, no, you can't go so. If me tell you say, you know say, me say the boy chain, right? You know, be a gun ready and the man talk about what criminal come around the man them. After they don't send one whole heap of gun before and that tell me say, no sir. Them say they can't mean that sound like I want to show. A real life. Iron Man. No problem man. Anyway, H Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.